Xbox is one of Windows 10's default apps. This app integrates the Xbox with Windows and includes a handy game bar. This game bar is a built-in tool you can use to take snapshots. It is also one of the best screen recording tools you can use on your Windows PC. To open the game bar, you only need to press the Windows key plus G with the window selected. However, try to enable it in the control center, but it keeps disabling itself when coming back to it, and then try to save new shortcuts, and the settings app crashes. In this video, you will learn the steps to fix Xbox game bar automatically disabled and doesn't work on Windows 11. Use these steps. First, open Settings, and select App. Next, open the Installed Apps option and find the Xbox game bar. Next, click the three-dot button and select Advanced Settings. Next, click Reset. Next, restart your computer and try again the Xbox game bar, using the Windows key plus G.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.